The hair butter on our head today.
Like the smell? Yeah, it's a very earthy smell, isn't it? That's nice. You don't have to melt the butter. This is very, very soft, this one as well. It's not very hard. So. Hi guys, I'm gonna do Maya's hair. I'm gonna condition it with the shea butter, and it's gonna look, your hair's gonna look so good once I'm finished. Let's dry your hair. You okay, Maya?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You're okay.
I'm okay.
You're okay. We're reading.
We are reading Great London. Let's face somebody's face. Face. How come me? How lucky? Temperature climbing and sea levels are rising. Mummy.
Yes, baby.
What's this? Mummy.
That's
Is this magic?
stardust.
What?
Stardust.
Stardust?
Yeah.
Tell what?
Melted shea butter. I'm gonna condition Maya's hair now.
BLEACHING.
Read the sentence. What bleaching? Oh, I'm not sure, baby. The definition should be at the back of the book. Alright, I'll find out. Let's Google it soon.
It's a lot of milk.
Yeah.
This could affect people's home ability to get food and health.
Pink spider.
It wasn't pink, it was a little one. It was a baby one. So cute. And it's got little chubby legs. I love its legs because it's very pretty and chubby.
Chubby legs?
Yeah.
Spider's got chubby legs.
I love spiders.
Just a minute, Maya. This one's a bit lighted up. Okay, baby.
What is it? A dinosaur or a starfish or a crab? Or seashell or cloud or a wand or a book? Make a book or a dinosaur or a unicorn. Yeah, because they're just baby. I like a princess hair. Peter's fault. Some are long and wavy and like to hide. Not everyone has been lucky enough to meet one, but sometimes they pop up to say hello.
hair's done now. It's nice and shiny and moisturised. And you can see the curls are more defined now. What do you think, Maya?
Nice.
Nice and moisturised now. How does it feel?
Nice and soft.
Nice and soft. Good, good.
Hey.